Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about group by option in Power Query. So I have this data and I want to see the sales by region. I want to see the total sales by each region. So first we need to take this data into Power Query and then we will learn about group by option in Power Query. So click anywhere in your data and go to data tab and then from table range. Now we are in the Power Query. So as we have already learned about all the other options, today we will learn about group by option. So I had this data in which I have different regions and its sales, but I want to see the total sales by each region. So what I will do is I will go to group by option, I will click on it and then I want to group by region and then I want to give new column name. So we will name this as total sales and then what operation do we want to perform? We want sum and then where we want this operation, we want this on the sales and then select OK. And here you go. Now you have total sales by each region. So you can use group by option to analyze data and sort your data very quickly just in few seconds, and then you can close and load this data back into Excel as you can see here. So hopefully you understand what is group by option in Excel and how to use it. And here is the formula. You can see the work happening behind all of this. If you liked this video and you have learned something new, press the like button and follow for more videos later. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all the options in Excel, today we will learn about group by option in Power Query. So first we need to take this data into the Power Query. So click anywhere in the data and go to data tab and here go to from table range. Now the Power Query will open up. So here we have group by option. In my previous video I have told you about how to group your all the regions to get total sales. Now we will use group by to see the average sales by a salesperson. So to do this, click on the group by and then select the salesperson and the new column. You can name this as average sales. I have named this as average sales and the operation I want to perform is average and I want this onto the sales and then select OK. Now we have average sales by each salesperson. So we have total 4 salesperson and these are the average sales. Now try another of grouping number of products sold by region. So I want to see by now number of products by region. So what I can do is I can go to group by again and here I will select region and then name this as count and operation count rows and column can be any. So it's not letting me select any column because it can be any column and then select OK. Now we have all the number of products sold by each region, but now I want total sales by region and by product. So what I will do is I will go to group by again and then go to advanced one. Here you will get 2 options. So we will select region and we will select product. Then new column sales we will name as sales total sales and then operation I want to perform is sum on the sales column and then select OK. Now you can see we have different products with the different region and we can then sort them, make them more readable. So we will sort them from here. Now we have all the products sold in east and then all the products sold in north and then in the south and then in the west. So hopefully you have learned how to use the group by option and it is very useful when you are analyzing data. So you don't have to use complex formulas or mess around with the pivot table. You can just do this in few seconds by clicking some options in the Power Query. So hopefully you liked this video. If you liked this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about Power Query in Excel. So to get this data into the Power Query, I need to click anywhere in my data and then go to data tab and here we will click on from table range and this will open up the Power Query for you. So I have already told you about all these options. Now I will tell you about data type option and then use first row as header or then header as a first row and then we go replace value. I will tell you what are these options and how to use this. So for example, I have this date and time and I can change its type. I will go over here so I can select date and time, only date or only time, and there are so many other options. So I don't want the time here, so I will just click on the date and then replace current. Now I have only date here and then we have sales here and these are whole number. I want them to change to currency and then replace. Now these are changed to currency and then we have these 2 options. Use first row as a header. So for example, this is the first row. We can use this as a header or like if you don't have header in your data you can use this option, but we don't want to use it because we already have headers. Now we can use headers as first row as you can see here, but we don't want this. I'm just showing you if you don't have header in your option in your data then you can use these 2 options. So we'll delete these and go back to our normal data. And then we have replace value. So this is simple. You can put a value. So we can only add a number value. For example, replace 1200 anywhere with 1400. For example, if you want to change a price of something, we want to change anything, you can do this. So anywhere it's 1200, it will change to 1400. So this will only be used to replace two values. So you can find the value and then replace it. So hopefully you understand all these options in a Power Query. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about merge queries in Power Query in Excel. So what is a merge query? We have two options here, merge queries as new as well. So a merge query lets you pull matching data from another table into your current one with a common key, similar to how you would use a join in SQL or a VLOOKUP in Excel. But you don't have to use difficult VLOOKUP formulas. You can merge the tables just few clicks. So let's go back to Excel. So for example, I have two tables. I have sales table and I have product table, and both have one column common, which is product ID. I have product ID in this one and product ID in this one. I want this data to be merged in one column. For example, I want to pull data into sales columns from this column. So what we will do is we will use Power Query. We don't have to use difficult VLOOKUP formulas. We can just do this in few clicks. So first we need to click this data into the Power Query. So click anywhere in your data. This is already a table. If your data is not a table, it will ask you to convert it into a table. So go to Data tab and then click on From Table Range. The Power Query will open up. Now go over to Close and Load, and here click on Close and Load too. And now here click Only Create Connection and then select OK. Now we have this table. We'll name this table from here. Let's rename it as Sales, and then the other table, Product 1, will do the same. From Table Range, you can even name it here and then click on Close and Load to Create Connection Only, and then select OK. Now you can see them here in your connections. So they are loaded to the Power Query. So if you double click over here, it will take you to the Power Query. Now we have Merge Query option here. If we click on Merge Queries, this will open up. So first table selected is Sales. Second table selected, we will select is Product. And then we need to select the same column, Product ID and then Product ID. Now this is showing the selection matches 30 of 30 rows from the first table. And then left outer, leave it as default and then click OK. Now as you can see, the product table is here. There is a little option here from where you can expand the table. Click on this and whichever you want, you can expand it. So I want all of them, so I will leave them all. Or if you don't want category or any of this, you can skip it and then select OK. So as we have product ID 2 times, now we can delete this. Let's try again. So go over here. We don't want product ID because we already have here. So let's untake this and then select OK. Now we will not have product ID again. We don't need this one as well. Let's delete this. Go over here, remove column, and we can move around this column anywhere we want. So we can move it at the start, then product ID and order ID, then quantity, then at the last we have price and order date. So hopefully you understand what is merge query option in Excel and how to use it. If you like the video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. In my previous video, I have told you about the merge query. Now we will learn about merge queries as new. So we had two tables, sales and products. So we got some data from the products by using the product ID as a key into our sales table. Now we have modified sales column. We don't have the original sales column left because we have used the merge query. But if we use merge queries as new, we will have new table. So for example, let's undo everything what we did in the previous video. Let's undo this, and we have, this is our source data for sales and this is our source data for the products. So now what we will do is if we go over here and click on merge queries as new, this will give you the same option. Just you will have little merge in a different table. Your original one will stay the same. No changes will happen to these. So first we'll select sale and then select product. Now select the common key, which is product ID, and then 30 of 30 rows matches, and then select OK. Now you can see we have merged one. We can name this anything. We don't have to mess around with these. We have these original, but we have merged one now. So now we can add it. This is the product table. We can expand this table from over here. We don't need product ID because we already have. We don't need order ID as well. What else we have is we don't need order ID and product ID. So we'll go over here, product ID, and then select OK. Now we have everything matched over here. We can sort the columns the way we want by just selecting, clicking and dragging, and then close and load this data back into Excel. Now we have merged data over here. So we didn't have to use any VLOOKUP formulas to merge two tables. We have used Power Query and did some clicks to merge two tables together. And I think the best option to merge queries is merge queries as new. So you have have the original data saved. Hopefully you understand the difference between merged queries and merged new queries. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. In my previous video, I have told you about merged queries, and merged queries as new. Now we will learn about append queries. So first we have append queries and append queries as names. Append queries will modify your selected table, but append queries as new will modify query in a new worksheet and create a new query. So your original data will remain safe. So both are same. So we will use append queries as new because we don't want to lose the original data. So let's close this and I will show you how we can use append queries. So merge queries are used to combine the data based on a common key, but append queries is used to merge the data in the same column structure, and it is not used to merge them side to side, but it is used to merge the table one below another. So let's learn append queries with an example. Close this. Now we have some sales data here. We have January sales, and then we have February, and then we have March. So let's convert them into table by pressing Ctrl T and then select OK. And then we have March sales, convert these into table and then select OK. So we need to take these into the Power Query. So click anywhere in your table, go to Data tab and select from table range. Here you can name them. So these are January sales. So we name them as we name this as January sales, and then go to close and load. Here you don't have to close and load, you have to use close and load too, and then select only create connection and then select OK. Now we have January sales in our connections. Now we'll do the same with these. Take them to the Power Query and then name them as Sep sales, and then go to close and load too, and then create connection only and then select OK. I will have January, February. Now we want to do same with the March one. Go to from table range and here edit the name as March sales, and then go to close and load too, and then again here select only create connection and then select OK. Now we have January, February sales and March sales, and notice all of these have same column structure, and I want to combine them into a one column. So what we can do is they have same column structure but they don't have any product ID. So I want to combine them down below this. So we will go to our query by clicking anywhere and then go to append queries. So append query will, if we use only append query, it will make changes to January sales, but we don't want this. We want original query to stay like that, and we want a new query. So we will use append queries as new, and then we have more than two tables. So what we will do is add and then March table add and then select OK. Now we have all of the sales in one table and it's named as pen. One we can name as Q1 sales and then press enter, and then we can use close and load, and we can load back the Q1 data into Excel in which all of the sales are together in one table. So hopefully you understand what is a merge query and what is append query. So merge query is used to merge the query based on a common key. Otherwise append queries will just put the tables on one another which has same column structure. So if you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this.